Hello guys, this is how to fix your Pinterest when your pictures aren't showing. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Pinterest. And now you've opened up Pinterest and your pictures aren't showing. So the first thing you'll do is just make sure that you have a stable internet connection because that could be the issue. And if your internet connection is stable and your pictures still aren't showing, you're gonna click on the profile icon and then you're going to click on the little settings icon, and then we're gonna click on privacy and data. Scroll down, we're gonna clear the cache data. Once that is done, you should be able to see your pictures and that should fix your problem. If the issue is still not resolved, then you just try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it, and then the issue should be fixed. So I hope all the information in the video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.